Hi everyone, this is AQ. Yan. Andito po ako para mag-unboxing. Yes. I received some gift. Gift from one of my dearest YouTuber friends. Now we are become close. Because parang it's been a long na nagsasama na kami. Wow, nagsasama. Okay. Shout out po kay Dmja channel, aka Mami Tess. Ayan, shout out sa iyo, Mami. Napaka bait mo talaga. Thank you so much po sa pinadala mo. Ayan. From Amazon. Ayan. Ito po ang kanyang gift to me. Wow, surprise? No, not surprise. It's just a gift. Ayan. So, i-unboxing natin. Shout out po sa mga friends natin dyan sa YT. Thank you so much for supporting AQ Sidars. So, nandito tayo para mag-unboxing ng bigay ni Mami Tess. Oh, wag na kayong mainggit. Kasi naman, lahat naman tayo meron. Diba? Take lang. Wait for your turn. Ganan. So, darating din naman ang para sa inyo. Hindi ko siya hiningi. Wow. Big words. Talagang kusa niya yung ibinigay. Naawa ata sa akin. Yan. I-unboxing natin tong bigay niya. Oh, gaganda na ba ang ano kaya ito? Chart. So, I let you know guys na meron akong Amazon account. So, sa mga who is interested to give me a gift, I have a watch list there. Pero, syempre, it's up to you whatever you want to give it to me. I accept everything. Alright. Here we go. I accept everything, guys, ha? Wow. Big box. Wait a minute. I make it big screen, Yan. Here we go. Magiging singer na ata ako. Wait, nako. Okay. Yes. Yes, baby. the cats. What's the problem? So this one is from Amazon. $109. Oops. Okay. What about? Okay. Here we go. Moano. Ayan, shout out! Ayun, meron na tayong Moano. Gaganda na ba talaga yung boses ko dito? Ayan na, si Moano. Moano, okay? This one is model. Ayan, as you read. Ayan, nandyan na yung mga sinasabi niya. So, this one is model AU-AM200.THANK starter bundle. So, ayan yung mga cord from Moano. Okay, let me start it. Where did I open it? O diba, hindi alam paano mag-open. Halatang hindi talaga ako nag-unbox, guys. Ay. Ayan, sisirain pa. Mami Tess, thank you so much. Especially kay Daddy. Kay Daddy, si Daddy na nagbigay ng aking So, syempre, ano yung mga laman nito? So, yan. A QR code. A manual. How to use it. A letter customers from Maonocaster Lite. Oh, may pa-letter pa from Alex Lu. And setup of instructions. POM. Lagay natin sa susunod. And here you go. Oh my God. Looks good. Ayan. Gaganda na ba ang poses ko dito? Wow. May opening, applause, gunshot, laughter, booing, awkward, slapping, cheering, effect, pitch, music only, denoise, loop back, side chain, echo, monitor. Yan. So, let me put there. So, what another inside? Okay. Meron siyang phone, cable, I think for the phone. Tatlong tusok. Ayan. Oh. So, may kasama siya, yung in order, may kasama ng mic. Ayan. Mic test, mic test, mic test, mic test. Hello, mic test. Oh my God, this is only 5 inches. Wow, but fat. I like it. 5 inches and fat. And what is this? Maybe the cable. Cable for going live. Cable for the music. And I think cable for the charger. Okay, what else? Oh, for the mic. Yan, dinamitan natin para mag-jumbo hotdog siya. Yun, thank you so much, Mami Tess, for giving me this kind of gift. Ayan, wala na. I really appreciate it. Talaga naman, ang dami na nating pampaganda ng boses. Ang tanong, gaganda nga pa. So, I will try this in one of my live. Yan. So, hope it will be successful na gumanda yung boses ni AQ and mabigyan kayo ng entertainment, no? Yan, I can do some singing. Pero, reminder, I'm not a good singer. I'm just pretending. And hope you appreciate it. Thank you and I love you guys. Shoutout po kay Dmja channel, Mami Tess, and to all your channels. I love you, Mami Tess. God bless you and your family. And no matter what happened, I'm still here, even not in wifey world. You know, let's support our kahibangan. Yun, this is AQ saying, thank you and God bless you. I love you all, to all supporters and who give love to me. Yan. And shoutout po sa lahat. I will put some link there if you want to give me some gift. I have my Amazon's account. Yan. So you can share or you can give a little gift. Not a very expensive one. Of course, it's all, the choices is all yours. Yan. So if you don't want Amazon, I have also PayPal. No.
What?
I know you have a good heart, guys. Heart. I love you guys and thank you so much, Mami Tess. I love you. I love you so much, guys. Thank you. Yan. Shout out, Mami Tess. Here I am.